Hello everyone, welcome back to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
When we post. Today we want to talk about grouped consonants. And we have one video that we did about grouped consonants, about CH, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. So today we want to talk about DHA, da.
Da.
Da, de, di, do, du.
Da, de, di, do, du.
Yes, so we'll talk about da, and I'll give 5 words about da and the sentences about it. They, like that until do. Let's start with da. Say da.
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 And this here is pronounced as da.
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 Danjo.
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 Danjo generally means badly.
Badly.
So, nyathino danjo ndiko.
Nyathino danjo ndiko.
Nyathino danjo ndiko.
Nyathino danjo ndiko.
Yes. Nyathino danjo ndiko means that child is writing badly. Okay? Dano.
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 Dano is man, like human being. Dano.
Dano.
Nyasaye nochweyo dano.
Nyasaye nochweyo dhano.
God created man. Dhako.
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 Dhako is wife.
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 Remember chi
Chi.
yesterday? Chi is wife of.
Yes.
Dhako is wife. Okay? Say dhako.
Dhako.
Dhako ma okwongo en Mikai.
Dhako ma okwongo ne ikai.
Dhako ma okwongo
Dhako ma okwongo
en Mikai.
en Mikai.
That means your first wife is called Mikai. So, you know, like Luos had first wife, second wife, third wife, and they had names.
Yeah.
So the first wife is called Mikai.
Mikai.
Dhako ma okwongo
Dhako ma okwongo
en Mikai.
en Mikai.
Dhach.
Dhach.
Dhach is loosely translated to stagger. You know, when someone is drunk,
Yeah.
and they are dutching. They
They're
are
moving everywhere.
yeah, they are like stepping but not really stepping. You know, that is called Dutch.
Dutch.
Omadho kongo koro odach adacha.
Omadho kwongo.
Omadho kongo
Omadho kongo.
koro odach adacha.
Koro odach adacha.
That means he's drunk some alcohol and now he's staggering as he's walking, okay? The last one is dao.
Dao.
Dawo.
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 Dao is to quarrel.
Quarrel.
Yes, sometimes dao can mean fight, but dao mostly means quarrel. Wek dao na
Wek dao na.
sanno obotna ma olwar.
Sanno obotna ma olwar.
Wek dao na
Wek dao na.
sanno obotna ma olwar.
Sanno obotna
Ma olwar.
ma olwar.
That means stop quarreling me. I accidentally dropped that plate. Okay? Then let's move to they.
De.
They.
De.
And this here is they.
De.
They.
De.
They.
De.
The first one is called they.
De.
They.
De.
They is ulcers. You know when you have stomach ulcers?
Yeah.
That disease is called they.
De.
Okay? Ka okichiemo,
Ka okichiemo.
de biro chamo iyi.
De biro chamo iyi.
Ka okichiemo,
Ka okichiemo.
de biro chamo iyi.
De biro chamo iyi.
So if you don't eat, you'll have stomach ulcers. The second one is Dede.
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 Dede is a bird. A bird. Bird. A bird.
Bad.
A bird. A
Yeah.
bird. You know a bird? A winyo. Huh? There's a
Dede.
bird called winyo. Huh?
Winyo.
So if you see the bird called winyo, you say, mano winyo ma iluongo ni dede.
Mano winyo ma iluongo ni dede.
Again.
Mano winyo.
Winyo, not luinyo. Winyo.
Mano winyo ma iluongo ni dede.
Iluongo.
Luongo.
Mano winyo ma iluongo ni dede.
Mano winyo ma iluongo ni dede.
Yes. Then there is dedo.
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 Dedo is abundant. Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
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 Chiemo ne odedo
Chiemo ne odedo
e chokruokno.
e chokruokno.
So that means there was abundant food in the party. Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
Chiemo ne odedo
Chiemo ne odedo
e chokruokno.
e chokruokno.
E chokruokno.
E chokruokno.
E chokruokno.
E chokruokno.
Yes. Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
Chiemo ne odedo e chokruokno.
Yes. Dengore.
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 Dengore is powerless or sickly.
Sickly.
Nyathino odengore.
Nyathino odengore.
That means that kid is sickly. You know, like a kid who is malnourished and thin and, you know, they look sick all the time.
Yeah.
That is nyathi modengore.
Nyathi modengore.
Nyathi ma odengore.
Nyathi ma odengore.
Yes. Then there is denyo.
Degno.
Denyo.
Degno.
Denyo is to put down something heavy. Like if you're carrying a heavy sack of what? Of maize. And you put it down. You denyo. That is denyo.
Degno.
Denyo.
Degno.
Odenyo bandono etie dot.
Odenyo bandono e tie dot.
So that means he's put that heavy sack of maize at the door. Odenyo bandono etie dot.
Obendo nyal.
Odenyo
Odenyo.
bandono
Bandono
etie dot.
e tie dot.
Yes. Then there is der.
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 There is cow.
Cow.
You know cow? Moo.
Yes.
That is there. So, but it has to go with the type of cow. So there, in as much as there means cow, but there has to be said with the type of cow. So if you say der pur,
Der pur.
that means that it's the ox, like the cow used for plowing. Der chak,
Der chak.
that's the cow used for chak, milk. For milk, okay? So there is the cow, but it has to be specified. So which one? And their money, and their pur, and their chak. Is it their pur? Is it cow for milk or cow for whatever? Okay? Then we move on to the.
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 So this here is the. The.
The.
The.
The.
And examples? The.
The.
Go.
Go.
The kelna pimodo.
The kelna pimodo.
Go get me a
Drinking
water. The kelna pimodo.
The kelna pimodo.
The.
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 Piny ng'ich 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 the means it's icy cold out there. Like right, by the way, it's winter, no, fall.
No.
Fall, Halloween, whatever. It is very cold today. So piny ng'ich the.
Piny ng'ich the.
Then the next one is dialo.
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 The dialo is to pamper. You know, like if you have a young child and, oh, daddy, don't do this, don't do that. You pamper the kid. That is dialo, okay?
Dialo.
Yeah, so you say, chogo no min odialo marach.
Chogo no di odialo marach.
Chogo no
Chogo no
min odialo marach.
min odialo marach.
Remember I said we say chogo is who?
Chogo.
Chogo is which born?
Cho is the first one.
Hey, chogo is last born. So, chogo no min odialo marach means the last born has really been pampered by the mother and she's really spoiling the kid. Chogo no min odialo marach. Say it again.
Chogo no di odialo marach.
Chogo no.
Chogo no.
Chogo no.
Chogo no.
Chogo.
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 Chogo no.
Chogo no
Min odialo marach.
min odialo marach.
Yes. Chogo no min odialo marach. Then we move on to dhiang.
Dhiang.
Dhiang is also
Dhiang.
cow.
Yes.
You remember Derpur is a cow for
Plowing.
plowing.
Chak.
Derchak is a cow for
Milk.
milking. Now dhiang is a cow, a general cow is called dhiang.
Dhiang.
Okay? So which sentence can you give for dhiang? Dhiang chamolum.
Dhiang chamolum.
Dhiang chamolum.
Dhiang chamolum.
The cow is eating grass, okay? Diego.
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 Diego is to drench. You know drench, like if you have so much, you put so much water into, or to swamp. Diego gimo.
Diego Dimo.
Diego gimo.
Diego Gimo.
That means drench with oil.
Drenched with oil.
Okay. Now, if you want to, like, you know, when you've showered a kid, a child has gone from the bathroom, and now you want to pack up the uso, like you want to, how do you call this? You want to what?
You want to
Yes. Now.
place oil on the face.
Yes. Now, if you want to oil the child,
Yes.
and you take a lot of oil on your hand,
Yeah.
that means you've it Diego mo.
It's Diego Mo.
Yes, that means you're drenching oil onto the kid's face. Okay? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Do.
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 This here is called
Do.
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 Again, do. Do. First of all, do is mouth of.
Mouth of.
You remember this is doga.
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 But there is do what?
Do what?
Do what means the shore of the lake. Okay? Do nam.
Do nam.
Do nam means the shore of the
River.
coastal
River.
no, like the coastal area. Shore of the ocean. Do nam.
Do
Okay.
nam.
Doch.
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 Remember yesterday we talked about chi.
Chi.
Now do. We are
Do.
remixing do and ch. Doch.
Doch.
Now doch is it's like a miracle. Now there is something called lokodoch. I don't know what lokodoch should be translated to in English, but there are people who pray for other people that they are removing Holy Spirit, not Holy Spirit, evil spirit.
Oh.
Now these people, they are called Jolokdoch.
Jolok Doch.
Now Jolokdoch are people who pray for you so that marvelous things,
Happen.
a marvel will happen or a miracle will happen to you. I don't know if it's true or not, but I hope that explains what the Lokodoch is. I don't know how English, I don't know whether it's an English, there's an English thing for it. Dodo.
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 Dodo is to breastfeed. Like if you're breastfeeding a child, you say adodo. Now, miyo no dodo nyathine.
Mio no dhodho nyathine.
That means that the mother is breastfeeding the child.
Child.
Mio no dhodho nyathine.
Mio no dhodho nyathine.
Mio
Mio
no
no
dhodho
dhodho
nyathine.
nyathine.
Yes. Then there is dogo.
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 Dogo is to surround, like to engulf. Like for example, iro odogo ot.
Iro odogo ot.
Iro is smoke. So if smoke fills this room, then we say iro odogo ot.
Iro odogo ot.
Now there is another dogo, which is like if you want to, you see grass, if you tie down the grass into round circles, you say dogo. A dogo loom. Dogo loom is just to tie the grass so that someone can fall, like they can trip on the grass and fall. I know you've never done that, but anyway, this is the generation that does not know dogo loom. So sad. Doluo.
Doluo.
You know Doluo?
Yes.
What is it?
Doluo is the language of Luo.
Luo language, yes. Doluo is Luo language. Doluo.
Doluo.
The last part is do.
Du.
Do.
Du.
Here. Do.
Du.
Do.
Du.
Do.
Du.
Dukno.
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 Dukno is to grow thick, like a bush. Bunguno or dukno?
Mbungu no otukno.
Not mbungu. Bungu.
Bungu.
B-U-N-G-U. Bungu.
Bungu.
Bungu no odukno.
Bungu no
Odukno. Again?
Bungu no odukno.
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 Yes. Then there is duolo.
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 Duolo is to pull out with the roots. Like if you have a carrot and you're pulling it out with the roots, it duole oko. That is duolo. Okay? Now you would say a duolo a lot money, like boys. Okay.
Spinach.
No, the other one. We don't have it here.
Brussels
No,
sprouts.
the other one that has 3 leaves like this that we had in Kenya.
Oh, clover.
I don't know. Bo. So, you see, if you want to remove the whole bo, you duolo it out like that. So, duolo is a lot. Aduolo a lot epuodo.
Aduolo a lot apple.
That means I'm removing it with the roots. Okay? Dup.
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 Dup is the sound of a large third. A third. Ogoyo penyini dup.
Ogoyo penyini dup.
So that means it has fallen down and made a dup, a third. Like it's made a third.
Like it's just
Dup.
falling. Like
Yeah,
this
like-
thing.
No, it has to be.
Like
Yeah, that is dup. Duro.
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 Duro is in abundance, okay? In abundance. Omenda ma oduro.
Omenda ma oduro.
That is money in abundance. Yani mamilioni ya mapesa. Money in abundance. Omenda ma oduro.
Omenda ma odulo.
Oduro.
Oduro.
Yes. Then there is another duro, which is just duro, which is pile up. So duro is to pile up like a heap. Heap something into a corner. Duro.
Duro.
So you say nyocha aduro yugi e bath oda.
Nyocha adulo yugi.
Aduro. Nyocha aduro yugi e bath oda.
Nyocha aduro yugi bath ekona.
E bath oda.
E bath oda.
Nyocha aduro yugi
Nyocha aduro yugi.
e bath oda.
E bath oda.
That means I recently heaped some dirt next to my house. Okay? And that is it. That is the da, the, da,
De.
de.
Di. Do. Du.
with all the examples. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maliza.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
When we post.
You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti.
Oh, and we have a website, luoenglishdictionary.com.
Visit it.
Visit, subscribe, that thing, how you call it. We are doing something, I don't know. Click on what? Hang on.
The notification.
No, visit that website and see. I don't know how
Yeah.
to explain. My English is poor.
Visit the website. If you send your email, we will
Send you the transcripts. I
Yeah.
don't know how it's said in English. Just visit the website.
Yeah.
For now,
Oriti.